On May 6th, 2019, Hunter College let Gucci throw an after party for the Met Gala in our gym. And even though there are photos of it all over Instagram, many students studying for finals had no idea this was happening. So did you guys hear about the Met Gala after party hosted here at Hunter College?
I actually did not know.
Here?
Yeah.
Why?
Did you hear about the Met Gala after party at the gym?
No. Hunter Gym?
In the Hunter Gym. The theme was camp. They were making fun of us. How did Hunter manage to keep the party of the year a secret?
Well, by making sure students were not invited.
Excuse me.
As a student, I have access to
No,
the space.
you do not have access to this space. You
I
have
am
to
a
go upstairs.
student. I pay tuition to come here. I should see what is happening at my school.
You do not have access.
When I walked by there, I had no idea those random people were setting up for the party. They honestly did a great job. Wow, that's the nicest our gym has looked in years. Rich people really know how to shake things up. I wonder if these A-listers can work some of their celebrity magic on the rest of the school. We could really use some star power.
Administration has been ignoring these problems for years, and students don't know why. Without any solutions in sight, we are turning to you, the general public, and celebrities to please help us fix Hunter College.
Students, weigh in on the issue.
Getting drunk on a Monday? Must be nice.
Give us a tuition refund for that.
I would appreciate it if they could fix the 5th floor library.
Yes. I don't think it's cool to be hosting celebrities in our gym when we can't host students.
On top of tuition, Hunter also charges rent to their own students for extracurricular activities.
We have to rent 105, like a little classroom space on Fridays. You have to pay for it.
For dancing?
Yeah.
To practice,
to have an event
to
in
have an
general.
event, to have the space at all.
You pay for that.
Really?
Oh yeah, 100%.
We pay for that. And that.
The average full-time student at Hunter College pays $6,730 in tuition a year. Do you think if every person that attended that party donated this amount, we could get the ceilings fixed? So, Katy Perry, Miley Cyrus, Naomi Campbell, will you help us raise funds to fix the ceiling? For the rest of you watching, please reshare this video and tag your favorite celebrity. Ask them if they paid their tuition. Together, we can make Hunter College a functional place, not just for a photo op, but for the actual students that go here.